guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. Today's video is going to be a Fashionnova try on haul. These pieces that I showed you guys are some last minute pickups that you guys can, you know, purchase, wear, because summer is exiting out, baby. Summer is like bye-bye. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first dress I have on now, this is the About Myself ribbed mini dress. Of course you can see the color is black, and you also can see that, well, you can't see that, but anyway, the size is large. This dress is super duper cute. It's simple. It's something that you can pull out of your closet. I love the material. It has a lot of stretch in there, so if you guys are worried about it fitting or being too small, get your size, sis. Get your size, because it's gonna fit perfectly and definitely is gonna adhere to, you know, your natural curves. So really love this dress. One of my favorites, one of my go-tos. I'm a fan of black. Okay, I wish I had the gold necklace on though, but I ain't feel like switching that out. But that is on that. Okay, so the next dress we have, of course I couldn't hold that one up because I'm wearing it. The next dress we have is the Work of Art dress. This is in the color gray blue, and this is in the size large. When I tell y'all this dress is fire, this is fire. This is something that you could have definitely worn throughout the summer. Not saying it's too late, because it's not too late, y'all, but when I put that bad boy on, y'all, when I tell y'all this dress is the business, it has a lot of stretch. Like, sis, I could have actually went a size down in these. I had a size large. Large actually could have took a medium this because of the stretch in it. But like I said, it still fit, because it's not like a see-through type of dress. You can't see nothing through it, but it's also cool. It's lightweight, if that makes sense, y'all. This dress is super long. Like, it's like a maxi dress. I don't know if I showed you guys the bottom of it. I probably did not, but you'll see on the model. But this dress is super long. I'm 5'4.5", so this dress, I believe, came down to my ankles. So y'all, I love this, love it. All right, y'all, so I love it so much. I got another one. This is the Work of Art dress. Of course, this is in the color red combo. This one right here, this one is my favorite. I love that one, but this red one, this is it, baby. This is it. It's bodycon as well, and it does not fall down. So even if you're not working with much, I'm not working with much up there, but even if you're not working with much up here, sis, it's not going nowhere. Okay, it's gonna be right there. It ain't going nowhere, which I love. Again, love this. These type of dresses you can pretty much do anything in. Run your errands. This is too cute to be running some errands in, though. I ain't even gonna front, y'all. This is too freaking cute to be running some errands in. I gotta get dolled up. Like I said, this was not a styling video, so I did not do that. But sis, y'all gotta get you some of these before summer is up. Hopefully they still in stock, because these sell out so quick on their site. This one, this is the Uptown Downtown biker short romper set. I could actually took extra large in this. This is ribbed. That's why I definitely did not, because sometimes with ribbed stuff, they really run big. Like, they have a super amount, they have a great amount of stretch. However, this has stretch to it, but I feel like when I get in it, it stretches to the capacity. This is a cute outfit. Now, being that it was too small, I wouldn't wear it outside the house. I love the colors. That's why I said last minute colors is like, summer is about color, you know, it's about a lot of colors. So I definitely went out of my comfort zone to get something orange. Orange is really not a color that I wear too often. This probably would be something I would wear around the house. That is on that. This, however, is great material. Definitely not see-through. It's thick enough. You see the stretch on it, like I said, but I know I stretched it to the max. Yeah, I really love it. Super cute, super chill. I want it. I ain't got it. So this next piece, Shake Your Money Maker Mess mini dress. This is in a color brown combo, and this is in the size large. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all, this is one of my favorite dresses, baby. This is one of my favorite dresses. Now, this did come with two pieces. Tried them on, but I didn't like keep them on. But they did come with these cute little drawers. Like, I'm just kidding. It came with the cute little panties, okay? Panties that you can wear underneath of this as well. And if you have like a nude bra or anything, or this is not really nude, this is like a tan. So if you, well, it's tan nude. Yeah, tan is similar to nude, right? But anyway, y'all get my drift. If you guys have anything that this color, if you have like a tan or nude bra that you can wear with these under this, that would be perfect. It has a lot of stretch to it, y'all. I didn't know I was gonna like this as much as I like this. Mesh is a very cooling type of clothing material, and I love it. Okay, so like I said, this was super cute. Loved how it fit. I got a large. It fit perfectly. So this next dress is the Shanghai dress. That's what I'm gonna call it. Okay, this dress is super cute. Okay, I feel like this dress is something that, hey, I'm going on a summer date night, you know. But this fit very well. I love how it has adjustable straps as well, in case that is too, you know, hanging a little bit too low. Very stretchy material. Like I said, I did get a large, so honey, you don't need to do no more with a large. Now at the bottom, I was holding this between my legs. I don't know if y'all seen the way I was standing, but I was literally holding it because I gotta figure out what you do with this part, because I don't know if do you just leave it hanging. I didn't know how it looked in general hanging, so I just tucked it in. But with this string as well, you're able to adjust it to, you know, you can make your dress rise up. It's got ruffles and runches, if that's the word. But yeah, you can really play with this dress. And like I said, I love the material. This dress is the Friday Field shirt dress. This is in the color white, obviously. And let me tell y'all, this dress is popping. Like, nobody can tell me nothing. However, I needed an extra large. When I was looking at it, I was like, something says go up, get an extra large. Or I mean, cotton button-ups, they don't really have much stretch. So this dress on the side is made to cinch your waist, to give you that, and then flutter. I forgot what this skirt is called that flutters out, y'all. I've had 2 granola bars and a pack of crackers, so I'm kind of hungry, and my brain starts to shut down after a while when I don't have food. So I don't know if you guys can see this, because my camera is giving stupid, but as you guys can see how it scrunches up, this is the side. This is made to snatch that waist in, baby, okay? So being that it was on its mission to do that, I had to suck in my stomach, suck into dear life to get in a dress. I needed extra large, something I can say formal. You can dress this up, you can do what you want with this dress. Like, I really wanted to style this, but I need some pieces, I need some shoes, I need an environment where I can, you know, get in my zone. But definitely, y'all, pick this up, but I definitely would recommend you to go up a size because it don't have stretch. All right, so that is pretty much of the dresses that I would say last minute, something worth getting and having in your collection before the summer ends. I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm sitting up here looking crazy because my hair is just doing what it wants. So the last 2 pieces are pretty much chill sets. I picked up the Poster Girl stacked pants. This is in the color Heather Gray in size extra large. These were cute on the model, okay? I actually have them in a size large, but I can't fit them, so definitely went up. But these are basically sweatpants, comfy, and I like to go up in sweatpants because I don't know about y'all, but when it's like fitted or this type of material sweatpants, I don't like it be too tight because it made my butt look flat. So I don't like to do that, so I did go up. I love this at the bottom. I don't know what it's called, stacked. Oh, it said it, stacked in the knee out. Now my knees might have been a little ashy too, so y'all gonna have to forgive me because, like, I was just really trying to get the video done, so my knees probably was ashy. But it has a little space where your little knees be showing, but the stack part is mad long. It is long, extra long. I'm 5'4.5", and y'all seeing how it was dragging the ground. It does have strings, as you guys can see, so you can tighten it to your desired liking. They do have stretch, but not that much stretch. It's stretch, but in the band area. The leg area, nah, it has just a teensy weensy bit. So like I said, if you like your pants to be very form-fitting, I would say get your regular size, and if you're large, you're large. But if you want them just a little bit bigger so you have a little bit more room, even though they'll still fit, I would say go up an extra size. So that's what I did. But this is just a Razorback Tank top, as you guys can see. This has a lot of stretch. I did go up to a size large. I don't know why. Some shirts I have to go out. Like, most of the time I wear mediums, but materials like this, even though it has some stretch to it, I could not fit a medium. So I had to go up to a large and whatnot. But this shirt, like I said, this can be paired multiple times. As y'all seen, I wore it twice in the video, so you can never go wrong with a Razorback top. You know, you can wear this with anything, jeans, shorts, jeans, skirt. You can pretty much pair this how you like it. So really love that, love the material, and that wasn't see-through. either. This is the OG Trendsetter Velour short set. This is in the color heather gray, and this is in the size large. So this is a jacket and short set that came together. Now when it comes down to these sets, I always have to go to a large so my bottoms can fit. Well, that's one thing I don't like. I wish we had the option to get different tops and bottoms, but it makes sense because they are a pair in order. So I always feel like I could be a medium in these jackets. This is a large, and you guys can see it's pretty big. I don't really do large in jackets or anything this material because it's super big. But then again, if you're trying to be like chill and comfy and stuff like that, then it makes sense. Like it makes sense. Like I'm just wearing this as a, I'm just wearing this set to chill, okay? I just want to run some errands, put on my little slides, and be out the door, you know. And then like sometimes I want to wear this material, but I don't want to wear the pants, so I'm like, let me get the short. So it makes sense for me to get the short set. I mean, these are large, so this is what they are given. Now they do have the little string in there so you can tie them. It depends on how you like your stuff to fit, but like I said, you have no other choice really when you're getting sets. So this was a large. Now these are, it has shirts to them. I love stuff like this because it's quick, simple, easy to throw on. That is pretty much it, you guys. I'm hungry. I need to get something to eat. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the pieces. If you're planning on copying some of these pieces yourself, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and yeah, until my next video, girl, we'll see you later. Bye guys.